How to bake Hefezopf. The required ingredients are 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 packets of yeast, 1/4 cup of butter, and 1 egg. Put the milk and the butter together in a bowl. Then heat up the milk and the butter in the microwave. Put all other ingredients together in another bowl. Then add the heated milk and butter. Now stir until it becomes a dough. Cut the dough into 3 pieces and braid as shown. Now preheat the oven to 390 degrees. And finally, brush on some egg. Put the bread in the oven for 25 minutes. And now, let it cool down and enjoy.